Hi, my name is Dave Chambers. I'm the inventor of the Perfect P-Trap.
And my name is Stephen Boyd. I'm Dave's partner in the Perfect P-Trap.
I'm a kind of a lifer in surface plumbing.
And so I spent all of my career in corporate.
We come from two different paths, but we actually accomplish and achieve the same things along the way.
Dave spends a lot of his time in kitchens, in bathrooms, in homes of consumers, helping them solve problems. I spent almost my entire career studying consumer and trying to help create products and deliver products to them that met their needs. As soon as you show the Perfect P-Trap to someone, they tell you the problem.
Right.
You show it to them and they say, oh yeah, I lost an item down the sink, or oh yeah, I had to unclog a sink last week. You relate to it.
Any problem that you could possibly have with your trap under your sink, I think I've solved that problem.
We like to say that the Perfect P-Trap is necessary. The fan favorite says the Perfect P-Trap is the one that we would buy, that we would use, that we trust, that we understand.
And we feel like it should be on the shelf at Lowe.
And we feel like it should be on the shelf. So this is the consumer speaking.
I wonder if we'll ever know what the results of the voting were.
We won, that's the result.